To use the file, please create your copy. You'll see the link below the video. This file is called Emailer, and there are two sheets. This one ini is for technical purpose, and Emailer is your main sheet to create settings. Each email will be one row, and it must have its unique ID. Here is the list to send. It's divided by semicolon emails. You want to send an email. In my case, there are 2 mails, and the title is sample letter number 1, number 2, and the HTML code of the letter. Let's see how to launch it. Tools, script editor, and now we are in the script editor, and there are 2 files, const and emailer. Const, you need to set your new ID of the file. Just copy this ID from your browser URL to your file and paste it here. So the script knows what the file is and can take all settings from sheet ini. And emailer, the script you need to launch. Just run emailer, and 1 semicolon 2 is number of IDs you want to send. It is that easy. Let's go back to our emailer Google Sheets and see. 1 semicolon 2 will send this and this letter. Let's launch it. Emailer test number 1. This is the only function here, but you may create another functions. And let's go. Click run and see what happens. Nothing happens here, but I will go to my inbox in my Gmail. I wanted to refresh, but here it comes. I have 2 new emails. Let's see. This is sample letter number 1. All this formatting is made with HTML. And this is sample letter number 2. This is a table, short table, also made with HTML from my Google Sheets file. Here it is. This is a table, and this some text. Superscript, subscript, and so forth. So please try it and write your comments and questions below the video. Thank you.